show the quick best to himself, Karen. Over.
Come to seat. Thank you. Oh, say hello to Colin King, Season Action, Steve Trikas. My posse. You're my posse.
Oh, we are not.
Hey, get busy. Say hello to Miriam right over here. Miriam is from beautiful West New York. She's a student in West New York. Yeah.
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yes, yes.
Oh, I don't have my reading glasses on. All right, say hello to Greg in the middle.
Yeah!
From Lewisburg. Greg is a fry cook / DJ at his college radio station, Brucknell, right?
Right.
And what's your favorite group?
Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Ooh.
Yeah!
I thought it would be like a screaming blue hoodoo guru messiah, you know, something. But they're pretty good. They were on our show. So.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. Nice guys. Nice guys, huh? Yeah, great guys. Say hello to Sean in the end.
Yeah!
Sean, originally from Minnesota. Sean's a film student. How are you? How you doing, Sean?
Pretty good.
Yeah, good to hear. Nice shirt.
Thank you.
Probably shop where I shop. Okay, wish him luck, huh? All right, time to play the game. I read questions and our wily contestants answer them. And you sit at home playing along. Maybe. All right, Greg. Go ahead, Greg. Pick a channel, my friend.
Ken, I'll take channel 5.
Hey, 5.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
You like my favorite movie, Citizen Kane?
Oh, you hit me. Okay, here we go. Flintstones, 5 points. What color is Barney's tie?
Whoa.
Miriam.
It's yellow?
Oh, no. Greg.
Doesn't have a tie.
Yeah, 5 points. Okay, I just got to warn you, folks, this game will be loaded with mock sincerity and false praise, so just be aware. Okay, Greg, go ahead.
We definitely got to stick with Flintstones, Ken.
Okay, stay with Flintstones. Found it. 10 points. What kind of animal served as Bedrock's version of the record player needle? Miriam.
It's like a dodo.
Dodo what?
Yeah.
Dodo what?
A dodo bird.
Bird, yeah! All right. Oh, Miriam. Beautiful.
What's wrong with you, man?
I've realized, and you know, we've been doing this for what, 2 years. I've never ever like just gone over and kissed a contestant.
Oh, really? Well, what about after show when you take him home? Sorry.
Well, Ken, it was just as good for me, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Flintstones.
Okay, same with Flintstones. Here we go. 15 points. This is worth 15. I guess it's
The
over.
game's just like the old days.
Name the scary doctor who switched Fred and Barney's personalities. Greg.
Can't remember.
Good try, though. Good try.
Nice try, though, Greg.
Frankenstone?
Frankenstone, yes, Miriam.
Yeah!
Frankenstone, 15 points.
Yeah.
Miriam.
Okay, how about channel 3?
Channel 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've never done that either. I've never pointed at the
They're all
TV.
doing good, Kenny. They're all doing really good.
All right. Christmas came early this year. 5 points, family ties. Which Keaton got hooked on diet pills? Greg.
Alex.
Very good, 5 points.
Yeah. Stick to channel 3, Ken.
Okay, why not, huh?
All right.
Yeah, family ties, 10 points. Which family ties character was played by Michael J. Fox's real-life wife, Miriam?
Tracy Pollan. Ellen.
Yes, 10 points.
Okay.
Thank you, Miriam. Go on.
Okay, stick with family ties, yeah.
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 Okay, I can't do that anymore. 15 points. When Elise found out she was pregnant with little Andrew, who was the first character that she told about it? Greg.
Skippy.
Skippy!
Oh, yeah.
Colin, you're one of Skippy's albums.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Go ahead, Greg.
That's stand-up comedy.
Take channel
He's crazy.
9.
Channel 9, movies.
Yeah.
Here we go, 5 points. Name the large, oddly dressed lady who stomped through Manhattan at the end of Ghostbusters 2. Miriam.
I don't know.
Thank you. Thank you for your honesty, though. Go ahead, Greg.
Sigourney Weaver?
No.
Statue of Liberty.
She is big boned, though. She is big boned. Go ahead, Sean.
Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty, right, Sean? 5 points.
I going to stick with the movie network.
Okay, here we go. 10 points. No one can deny John Candy's enormous success, nor his enormous butt. In what film did he play a guy with especially hairy nostrils? In what film? Film that he starred in. And
The Great Outdoors?
No. Another one. Sean, Greg, Sean, Sean, Greg. Greg.
Stripes?
No. That's all the time we have. Uncle Buck was what we're looking for. We didn't get. Go ahead, Sean. Excuse me. That's the voice of my somewhat powerful matriarch. Yes, Mother.
Can you have that slug Quinn sing me an oldie?
What about the positive show? MTV. It's a great company.
Come on, Slug.
I'll be all right. 10 points. Sing the next line of this mellow Looking Glass tune.
1, 2, 3.
Now there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brenda, fetch another round. She serves them whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brenda, you're a fine girl.
Finish it for 10, Greg.
What a good wife you would be.
10 points. All right, Greg. All right, try this one on for size. 15 points. Sing the next line to this Monkeys classic.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're trying to make your mark in society, using all the tricks that you used on me. You're reading all them high fashion magazines. The clothes you're wearing cause the public seems. I said,
Not your stepping stone.
Yes, ma'am. 15 points. Wow, what a first round. Miriam racked up 50 points. Grace got 35, and Sean has 5. Oh, look at this. It's a visit from Bob Rogers, local chow down place around the corner. All right, you guys munch away. We'll be back, play round 2, and this is what you're going for.
Emerson's bookshelf, AM/FM stereo system with dual cassettes, turntable, graphic equalizer, and full-range speakers. Fine-tune your life with Emerson.
It's a collection of CDs from IRS Records, including the latest hits from such artists as The Alarm and Timbuk 3.
Be the coolest in Harley-Davidson sportswear by Expert 2000. This woolen leather jacket with embroidered logo on back will definitely get you noticed by Expert 2000.
From Eastpak, the leader of the pack's a set of bags for school, for travel, for fun. Eastpak bags are tough and stylish, and they're built to last. Yours from Eastpak.
What remote control can do.
At MTV, times are changing. MTV's half-hour comedy hour. Starting Monday, it's on at 7, 6 Central. The unholy marriage of comedy and videos, MTV's VidComs. They'll be on at 7:30, 6:30 Central. Followed by Martha's Greatest Hits at 8, 7 Central. MTV Prime. All the top videos moves to 9, 8 Central. The new MTV evening lineup. Look out, it's in your living room. Starting Monday.
Remote Control is brought to you tonight by Ivory's Shampoo and Conditioners and by Secret.
Unstoppable. Unstoppable.
A 20-pound free weight doesn't know the difference between a man and a woman. A jump rope isn't designed any differently for a man or a woman. But when a woman sweats, her antiperspirant better know the difference. That's why we've developed new Sporty Clean Secret. Strong enough for a man, but pH balanced for an active woman's chemistry, with a clean new scent that lasts. Because there is a difference between him and you. New Sporty Clean Secret.
Going nowhere. What? Yo, y'all look who fell into the gig. Hey, keep up all this damn noise. Dad, don't slop you, lad. You don't want to wake the neighbors up. Jay going to that damn party.
Gonna make me a social misfit.
Rated R. See it Friday, March 9th at a theater near you.
Welcome to Lumina Sedan. It has been designed with care for you and yours.
Listen to the heartbeat.
With rear doors that open wide, plenty of room for the family to enjoy. And even Scotchgard fabric protector comes standard. The family Lumina Sedan. When it comes to new ideas, nobody's winning like.
Heartbeat of America. That's today's Chevrolet.
This morning, you can leave for work looking like you just stepped out of a salon.
Salon Selective. Salon Shine. Salon Selective. Salon Glow.
Salon Selectives, developed in the salons of Aline Curtis. Select your personalized combination of shampoos and conditioners for salon beautiful hair.
Like you just stepped out of a salon.
Feel salon beautiful every day.
Salon Selectives.
Welcome back to the only game show where the host hit the hostess in the breast with a hamburger remote control.
Oh, got ugly in here. All right, round two, 50, 35, and 5 are the scores. I almost lost my my consciousness. Miriam, go ahead, you're in control.
Okay, Ken, number
You're gonna call me
eight, number
Glenn?
8.
You can call me Glenn.
Yay!
Number 8. It's a visit from the fairy pixie. Mother Goose fired him, we've hired him. He's our own fairy pixie. What is wrong with you?
Something snapped
Where?
in my back.
Oh. Do you think you can do your little rhyme?
I better.
Okay,
I am
let's...
the, huh?
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
I am the fairy pixie. Hark. Come listen to my tale.
Name the television character this nursery rhyme describes. Go ahead, buddy.
Ride a cock horse to Queens, New York, to see a blonde lady whose dad is a dork. Her mother's a dingbat, but worse I could tell. She married a meathead who's Polish as well.
TV character we need. Greg.
Gloria.
Gloria, yes, 20 points. Put you in the lead, Greg, with 55. Greg, would you like to stay with this elf or what?
I'm gonna get off Fairy Pixie Corner.
Okay.
I know. Channel 1, Ken. Channel 1.
Dead or Canadian. With or without the help of a physician, it's awfully hard to tell. Here we go, 10 points. What are you doing?
She had a bruise there.
Oh, I thought you were being nursed back to health. 10 points. SCTV's Dave Thomas. Miriam.
Canadian?
Very good. Born in St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada on May 20th, 1948. 60 points. Back in the lead. Miriam, go ahead. What do you want to do?
No, how about Channel 4?
Anything you say. Channel 4, Inside Joe. Oh, I'm sorry. Inside a Trivia Delinquent. Colin's misguided half-cousin, Stickpin Quinn. Chock full of music trivia.
Hi, how you doing? So anyways, I was at I was with my friends the other night. I was just playing around. We were on this bridge, and we were throwing things off. We had cars going by, like little pennies, and some fuzzy dice. And I threw it with my friend Alan off, and it landed on this guy's car, and he said something like this, "Ow, my head!" And then it didn't do nothing to the windshield. I guess this car was built to last. Whose album is built to last? Whose is it?
Greg.
Grateful Dead.
20 points, Greg.
Oh, yeah.
Got him over.
What do you want to do, Greg?
We'll stay with Channel 4.
Okay.
I was, I was
right?
on the subway the other day, and and I'm just hanging out. It's real crowded, and I was peeing into people's coats to this rolled-up magazine, and then I see this hot-looking chick. I was like, oh man, this chick is awesome. So I figure I give her a sensitive line. I go, man, I'd love to get a piece of you. And she's like, give me this look, you know, because the girls like that peace and love junk. And she kind of looks at me bad, you know, like knowing. So I throw her off the train. She cracks her head open. That was cool. Peace and love. Hey, isn't that an album? Please tell me whose it is.
Greg.
Enough is enough?
No.
Oh.
Anyone else?
Let Greg do it again. He knows.
Yeah, we can't do it again.
I know it now.
Okay, Greg, just for...
Pogues.
Yeah, let's put it in a Pogues.
Bye.
What are you going to do? 75, Greg.
Channel 9, Ken.
Okay, to rub it in, I'm going to speak in a brogue for the rest of the game. Boy, were they stupid. Here we go. These are questions that overwhelm the simple minds of past contenders, so we brought them back for another taste. Here we go, 10 points. He's opinionated, moody, and smokes too much. Name the show that revolves around talk radio host Jack Killian. Greg.
Midnight Caller.
Yes, 10 points.
Yeah!
85 now.
We'll stay with Channel 9.
Okay, staying with the boy with a stupid. 20 points. Which character from Batman sported the seldom mentioned last name of Pennyworth? Sean.
Burt Ward?
No.
The Joker?
No, Miriam. Greg.
The Riddler.
No, Alfred, the butler. Yes, we all feel Greg's pain. Go ahead, Greg.
We were pretty stupid. Let's go to Channel 7, Ken.
Okay, Channel 7, talk is cheap. And here are the people that prove it over and over and over again. 20 points. Which of these topics has not, stressing not, yet been covered by Phil, Oprah, Geraldo, or Sally Jesse Raphael? Was it number 1, Satan's black market, sex slaves, porno, and drugs? 2, how Satan made my life a shrieking hell? Or 3, Tony Danza? Miriam?
3, Tony Danza.
Sorry, that was covered by Donahue. Sean?
2.
2, yes, how Satan made my life a shrieking hell. Okay, Sean, go ahead.
I'm gonna go to Channel 5.
Okay, Channel 5, Gourmet Channel, 10 points. Woo! Yes, sir. You have a right to clap, because this will be funny. Which hamburger chain absurdly tried to promote their product by urging Americans to come into their stores and try to find a geek named Miriam?
Burger King?
Yes, Herb, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, more things to throw.
Yes, I love throwing things at moving targets. Go ahead, Miriam.
Let's go back to Dead or Canadian.
Okay, back to Dead or
1.
Canadian. This is 20 points. Betty Davis. Miriam.
Dead.
Dead is correct. Yes, sir. Go ahead, Miriam. You have 90 points.
1 more. Okay.
Okay, 30 points. Robert McNeil of the McNeil Lehrer Hour. Greg.
Canadian.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Born in Montreal, Quebec province of Canada. Oh, hear that sound? That means I read from this card now. Here we go, 10 seconds, 20 points worth. Time to play Fawn Hall, Monty Hall, or Arsenio Hall. I'll give you a clue. You tell me if it simply belongs to Monty Hall, Fawn Hall, or our favorite, Arsenio Hall. Here we go. You guys ready? Let's have a clock. All right? And let's get busy. Number 1, Iran scam. Miriam.
Fawn Hall.
Yes, let's make a deal.
Monty Hall.
Yes, Chunky A. Sean.
Arsenio Hall.
Yes, door number 1. Miriam.
Monty Hall.
Yes, shove papers in her panties.
Fawn
Miriam.
Hall.
Yes, hangs on Eddie Murphy.
Arsenio Hall.
Yes, a zonk.
Monty Hall.
Yes, Miriam. 10 points. Oh, Sean. Nice to meet you, Sean. Keep wearing them stripes, babe. Oh, the pain of internal itching. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? Greg, Greg, Miriam. Now you have an option to wager some or all of your point total on one final question. While you guys figure out how much you want to wager, we're going to show you all the stuff you can take home if you're the winner.
Kawai's electronic personal keyboard with 20 great sounds, built-in rhythm patterns, and a powerful digital recorder from Kawai.
The revolutionary Konica ZUP80 features a built-in power zoom lens, auto flash, and versatile multi-function back for creative 35mm photography, plus color print film from Konica.
For high-style performance, the Zenith in this 20-inch stereo receiver monitor with remote control. The Zenith has easy-to-use on-screen menus and can even turn itself off after you go to sleep.
Introducing the NS50F from Honda, a full-size motorcycle with a 6-speed transmission, ready to get you there in style. NS50F from Honda.
Okie dokie, here's your question, Greg. Miriam, listen carefully, it's a long one. When the Pacific Princess starts to sink, Isaac and Gopher dress as women and head for the lifeboats. They're in a hurry because there's 300 people on board, and the luxury liner only has 40 lifeboats, which hold 6 people each. How many elderly vacationers will be left behind to drown, and what show will have led them to a horrid, watery grave? If you need to refer to it, it's up here on the big Zenith. And while these guys figure out, we're going to visit shop class. to say, fellas, you at least get a B+. Okay. You didn't cut your fingers off. Okay, put your pens down. Let's start with Greg. Greg, you have 115 points. What is your answer, por favor?
60?
60, and okay, and that's incorrect. We needed the name of the show, too, if you listen. No, bummer, eh? It was up here. I have no sympathy. Greg, how much did you wager?
110.
And that leaves you with?
5.
I know math can boggle the mind. Okay, Miriam, what was your answer?
60 and Love Boat.
Is it?
60. 60.
Is Love Boat written there?
Love Boat.
In Greek. Okay, go ahead. And how much did you wager?
100.
100, so you're up to 240. Greg. Nice game, Greg, but you've got to go. Miriam, you are headed towards the metal wheels, studs, and leather.
MTV Weekend. The world's greatest videos crammed into 48 hours and your living room.
Ivory shampoo and conditioner. It's pure. It's ivory. Naturally.
Golden Grams presents
He's coming.
The Golden Boy. When a sweet swirl of honey hits a big bunch of graham cracker crunch, you're not just good, you're golden.
Anyone sitting here?
Golden Grams, the golden part of your complete breakfast.
You're not just good, you golden.
We've got to strengthen our knees. Strengthen our knees for comedy. We've got to strengthen our knees. Strengthen our knees for Ha, the new TV comedy network. Ha begins on April 1st. That's only 5 weeks away. We've got to strengthen our knees. Strengthen our knees. Strengthen our knees for Ha. We've got to strengthen our knees. Strengthen our knees for comedy.
Do you like good music? That sweet soul music.
Silver Eagle Records presents Heart and Soul of the 60s.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. Who's making love to your old lady? We're not bad.
40 classic hits by the original artists.
Papa's got a brand new bag. Baby, 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 I love you. Just give me some
Digitally
kind of
remastered on 3 LPs, 3 cassettes, or 2 compact discs.
Better knock on wood. Can you slip away? Slip away. I'm sitting on the dock of
Heart and Soul of the 60s is not available in any store. Order yours now on 3 LPs or 3 cassettes, $19.95. 2 compact discs, $24.95. Write or call now.
Hi, Miriam. Hello. That's a lovely vest, and the leather studs aren't bad
Thank
either.
you.
Okay, you've got 9 videos. You get all 9 right. This is yours.
The new 1990 Dodge Shadow. An automatic 3-door lift back with power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and AM/FM stereo. It's fun to run. Provided by Autoland America's Transportation Center. You've got friends at Autoland.
Okay, I hope you get them all. If not, the Goat Boy will give you a tongue lashing, so you want to be good. Ready, Goat Boy?
I'll yell at her.
Yes, of course. Best of luck to you, Miriam. We're pulling for you. On your mark, get set, go.
One Van Halen!
One right.
Tears for Fears!
2 right.
Wham!
3 right.
Richard Marx!
4 right.
Salt and Pepper!
5 right.
Jefferson Airplane Starship!
Yes. 7.
Bill Collins!
Right.
Pass!
Pass on 8.
John Wayne!
Right, back to 8.
Hill! P.I.L.
Yeah.
Oh!
CDs, and a compact stereo USB and a motorcycle. That's Remote Control. Thank you so much. Take care.
All contestants receive. Get off on the right foot, get off in BKs for the newest and hottest in athletic footwear. It's British Knights. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. Losing contestants receive. Switch It AM/FM radio. Experience boomball audio you can wear anywhere. Featuring a round clear shell, multicolored parts, mosaic design, and necklace antenna from Switch It Inc. Promotional consideration provided by Catch the next great California wave, LA Gear Jeanswear. Jeans, skirts, overalls, and jackets with embroidered logos and chenille patches. LA Gear Jeanswear. It does a lot more than fit. 3 of the world's #1 arcade hits by Taito for your Nintendo. Operation Wolf, Bubble Bobble, and Sky Shark. When you think games, think Taito. The only game in town. Paul Mitchell's spray collection will put the finishing touch on your hairstyle with hold protection and plenty of shine. Available in professional hair salons from Paul Mitchell. Test your TV knowledge again and again with the computer software version of Remote Control. New from High Tech Expressions.
Remote Control is brought to you tonight by Ivory's Shampoo and Conditioners and by Secret.
The four-wheel drive Subaru has always gotten the U.S. ski team to their events early. Yet at the '89 World Championships, the other countries got there first. Of course, that was the year we lent them each a Subaru.
Hot man, think this is hot? Once it was so hot, this Pepsi like saved my life, dude. See, I was cruising with Wayne after the radical haircut. It was so hot, the trees were on fire, dogs were taking their coats off, whole buildings were wilting, the steering wheels like melting on my hands. So we pull in this Chinese, Japanese, Mexican place and ask for the most ginormous Pepsi. Takes 4 waitresses just to carry it, only they slip. And there's this humongous Pepsi wave. Wow, it's just like surfing Malibu, you kissing a Hollywood starlet. The most excellent Pepsi ever, and I swear, every word is true.
Ma, when does the cast come off?
Why, don't you guys like washing dishes?
Ooh, pork grease. Bogus. Here, you do it.
You do it.
You do it.
Ma, you do it. Relax, Dawn will do it.
Give Dawn your green.